Hello everyone. So today I am outside. Usually I make my videos from my room, but today I thought let me just go out. It's a nice day, wonderful weather, and I thought I'll probably make more videos, not in my room. So today I actually want to talk about something really important. Now, usually in my videos I talk about training. Now, I think when you're trying to roll out Jira in your organization, it is very important that you should train your users, your Jira users, but you should definitely also train your managers. Now, because I talk about training and because I talk about education, I think you have to find a balance between how much time you should spend doing training and how much time you should spend actually rolling out Jira. So I would say in the beginning, of course, do train your users, do make a plan to educate them, and it could be based on of course the processes that you want to roll out, because in your organization maybe you have a plan to roll out Jira for doing some kind of agile, right? Or maybe you have plans to roll out Jira for simple task management, and based on what you need to do, based on your use case, you should of course educate and at the same time make your training plan, make your content, make your workshops in such a way so that it is applicable. Now of course when we train our Jira users, when I train my clients, I of course talk about the features of the tool, because you have to talk about the features, but I usually spend more time and I try to also focus a bit more on getting the value. Basically, if you are trying to roll out Jira in your organization for a particular use case, for a particular team, then they should feel that by using this tool, it is not really going to be a burden. It should of course help them. They should be able to deliver their work quickly. They should be able to collaborate. And my strategy is actually very simple. Of course, I believe in training. Of course, I believe in like some kind of workshops, but I try to not spend too much time creating the most perfect slides or creating the most perfect PowerPoint presentations. I think in the beginning you should also trust and not underestimate your users. Let us say you have to roll out Jira and you have decided to roll it out. So just let your users know, and there should be a clear sponsorship from the management that yes, we have to use Jira, yes, we have to roll it out because we have identified the benefits, and do the training, do some initial workshops, let them know about what benefits they will get, but don't really spend too much time on only the training. Do maybe a couple of sessions in the beginning and focus on hands-on approach. So after, let us say, your first introductory session, you can ask your users to just log into Jira and start playing with the features of the tool. Usually when I of course train my users, I try to create some kind of a test project for them so that they can get a feel, or maybe they can play with Jira. But you should also tell them that we want to start using Jira for real projects by, let us say, 20th of August or maybe by 20th of September. So you should have some date by which you should actually go live and start using Jira. And this is something that I'm saying because based on my experience, sometimes I feel that organizations, when it comes to rolling out Jira, they spend way too much time making their Jira the most perfect customized setup, and they spend a lot of time on training but not really actually using the tool. So if you're struggling in your organization to roll out Jira or maybe to get some adoption, then of course you can reach out to me. I can definitely help you, and I can definitely share my experience. And the whole purpose of this video was basically to let you know that when it comes to rolling out Jira or any tool or any new processes, you should find a balance, and also and always focus on what is your end goal. Your end goal is not really rolling out Jira. Your end goal is to deliver. Your end goal is to make sure that your teams are able to collaborate. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you also learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.